Hello everyone. Let's dive into the Simplemark HP3 label maker. This mini marvel is designed for ultimate portability. It's incredibly compact, making it easy to carry around for on-the-go labeling needs. The first thing you notice is its size. Weighing in at just 130 and measuring a mere 81.3 by 37.3 millimeters, it's half the size of many other label makers. Don't let the small size fool you. This thing packs a punch. The HP3 boasts a 203 dpi print resolution, delivering sharp, clear, and accurate prints. The labels come out looking professional and easy to read. The label tape is high quality, waterproof, oil-resistant, scratch-resistant, and tear-resistant. This ensures that labels stay put and remain legible, even in challenging environments. Speed is another key feature. With a printing speed of up to 30 mm/s, the HP3 allows for quick and efficient label creation. It's great for those moments when you need a label fast. The X-Easy Label app is where the creative magic happens. It offers over 1,500 templates, along with a variety of fonts, frames, and stickers. Customization is a breeze, allowing users to personalize labels to their exact specifications. The app is intuitive and user-friendly, making the design process enjoyable. Connectivity is simple via Bluetooth, ensuring a stable and reliable connection with mobile devices. The setup is straightforward, and the app guides users through the process. The Simplemark HP3 is a versatile tool for home, office, or small business use. Its portability, print quality, and creative options make it a standout choice in the world of label makers.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.